Ay, you ain't country like me. Ay, I'm a redneck, you see. Ay, now put your boots on it.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today, no, we're not doing another prank video. We'll do that again eventually. Recently, I had to get my fuel injector on my truck fixed. Now, today, we are going to be cleaning my headlights. Going to make them clear. But with what? Boom. That right there. By the way, guys, I got a new sticker right there. Got them two last. I'm going to take that one off. That one looks really good. I like that. Let's open up this box and see what's in here. We got a polisher pad, got gloves, got the thing that all the stuff sticks to. What else we got? Oh no! Oh, it's all falling. Come back. Anyway, we got, what is this? Buffing polish. Okay. All the different things that you use. We'll use them first. And we got, is this some wipes? Yeah, we got wipes we'll clean it with. I don't know if you do that first or what, but yeah, that's pretty much all that's in there. Oh, something just popped out. Oh, it's instructions. Oh, we don't need them. First, I have to go to Harvest Festival today down in Boaz. And we're going to see how that goes. Yeah. What's going on now? Got you a funnel cake? I did too. You like that? Oh yeah. Alright, I'm back home, so I'm going to start working on my lights, and I'm going to put up the tripod and see what I can do. Alright, first of all, you want to have some wax or some kind of soap like Windex and mix it all together. Make sure it's all in there. Alright, I believe I have everything I need. Instructions, gloves, tape, polish, wipes, the drill, the thing that came with it, and the polisher. That'll be the last step. So yeah, we'll probably need a clean rag too somewhere. Alright, first I gotta put some tape on, so let's do that. That's done. So now I gotta figure out what to do next. I gotta put on the brown disc first. So we just put it on. You start with the brown one, put it on there, make sure it's tight, and yeah. Next, get your rag, squeeze it out a little bit, and then start rubbing it. And then you can start. Oh, this battery's good. Alright, I got the gray sanding disc on now. It's not as rough feeling, so we gotta wet it again. Oh, it is working. That's gonna look good. Alright, a little on the sander. Now guys, if y'all really want to take out the headlight and do it that way, that's also an option, but I didn't want to have to do all that. So this will save you money from buying new headlights. Alright, now we're going to clean it one more time. Looks like it's working. Now you just want to rub it clean. Look at this is working. It's starting to look brand new. It don't even feel rough no more. Take the gray one off. Alright, put your blue one on. Do the same thing. Alright, now is the fun part. We're going to take the blue off. Make sure you save it, guys. We're going to do the polishing. Make sure you open it. Don't leave it closed. Get that. And y'all should have one of these that came with it. And you want to put that on there. Make sure it's good and snug. I don't think you have to wet this. Thank you. Now, did he wet it? You're going to open this. You don't have to do it all the way. Just need enough where it'll come out. Then you want to put it on the center, like maybe that much, about. Alright, now that you have it on here, do not turn it on like that. Just rub it up against the light, like this. Make sure it all spreads. Sure every bit of it gets on there. Every bit. Then you can start. Alright, now we're gonna wipe it off. Make sure it's good and clean. And now we're going to put some more on it. Do the same thing as we did. Like I said, get about that much. And just rub it on there. Now we're going to wipe it off. Feels pretty smooth. Yeah, that feels weird. That feels very smooth. Alright, we have to move on to the other headlight before we do the final step on this one. Do not open the wipes until both headlights are done, because this stuff dries quick. So you want to do the other headlight and then you're going to rub that on. I'll show you in a little bit. So let's go do my other one. Alright, look at the difference. A clean one and a dirty one. Wow, that is crazy, dude. Alright, I'm gonna get this headlight done. If you need to see how to do it again, just go back in the video. But I'm gonna get this one done, and I'll see you in just a minute.
Soggy Murrah.
last step to cleaning your headlights after you've done all that stuff on both headlights. Depends on if both your headlights are dirty. You might want to just do one, it don't matter. But open up your wipes. This is why you don't want to open them until both of them are done, because you got to do them both. So gonna open it. This stuff dries quick. It's made out of alcohol and stuff, so let's get this one cleaned up. Make sure you get every single spot, every bit. Then we're gonna come to this one and do the same thing. Just switch it to the other side. This stuff is already drying. That's why you don't open it till very last. And if you're like, oh, I want to get it done now. Yeah, by the time you already cleaned your other one and you had this open the whole time, it's already dried and it don't work no more. Alright, we're done now. I was really excited to get that done. So, yeah, let's take a look at them. Look how clean that looks. God, it's not as yellow as it was. It's not perfectly clear, but it looks like a brand new light. I'm not even joking. Like, but the only thing is I gotta get all this off when it dries. So yeah, I don't want to go to church tomorrow looking like that. Good. What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, one of my friends needing it done. I'm like, really? But you know. Alright, I want to thank y'all for watching this video. We'll be back with some more eventually. So subscribe, like, comment, and share, and let me know what you want me to do to my truck besides squat it. I ain't doing that. Or a lift kit. I can't do that either. My parents won't let me. But anyway, I'll see y'all next time. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. So, yeah, peace out.